Good evening, folks. It's Subprime Blogger back to help you with your bad credit needs. And I've been going throughout the state of Florida looking for opportunities to borrow money in specific cities. If you want to look back through some of my recent videos, you've seen I've done areas like Fort Lauderdale, St. Petersburg, Cape Coral, and Hialeah, Florida. And I'm going to continue to do some of the bigger names like Orlando and Miami and Jacksonville and some of those areas. So keep a lookout for those. But what I'm going to go over today is banks that offer Florida residents a bad credit car loan. With the summer just around the corner, a lot of people are going to be looking to get a car loan in the near future. And some of these individuals are going to have bad credit or very poor credit. So I went through the list of banks that the FDIC insures in the state of Florida, and I'll put a link to this in the information of the video. You can go through every single bank in the state of Florida. There's 221 financial institutions insured by the FDIC in Florida right now, but not all of them offer car loans. I always start at the bottom and look at some of the smaller banks and see what they offer, and then I go to the larger banks. And most of the larger banks are going to offer car loans, but maybe not to really, really poor credit borrowers. So one of the first banks that I found that offers car loans is People's State Bank. And by going to the People's State Bank, you can see that they offer personal loans in the Lake City area, which, if you're in Tallahassee or in the north part of Florida, you may want to consider People's State Bank. But they offer automobile and truck loans, boat loans, loans for personal computers. So basically, if you want to take out a personal loan and buy pretty much anything, you can pay off Visa credit cards for debt consolidation. So this basically tells me that even if you have a not so great credit score, there's a good chance you could get a car loan at the People's State Bank in Lake City. So that's an option. Once again, I'll put a link in the information. Another option is Lafayette State Bank. And this is a financial institution that offers auto loans with competitive financing up to 90%. And I'm not sure if you can read it, but it says new and used vehicle loans with repayment terms up to 6 years. So, you can get a 6-year loan, 5-year loan, 4-year loan, whatever type of loan works for you. A lot of people want to do 72 months or 60 months or 48 months, whatever works out. And Lafayette loan is not a bad option. They also offer boat, ATV, and recreational vehicle loans up to 6 years. You'll probably get a similar interest rate on those types of loans. And you can check out their locations. They're in Mayo, Florida, Branford, Florida, Live Oak, and Bell. So if you're in those areas, you may want to consider Lafayette State Bank for bad credit car loans. And one of the final ones I found was the Flagship Community Bank. And the Flagship Community Bank offers many different types of loans, including home loans, home equity lines of credit, home improvement loans. But they also offer personal loans for the purchase of a new car. Now, a lot of people think, oh, this is only a new car loan. Well, any car you purchase is a new car to you. So you could get a bad credit loan with Flagship Bank and basically do the same thing you could do with all the other banks. You can contact them. They're in the Clearwater area. Looks like they have an Oldsmar office as well. So if you're in the Clearwater area and you're looking for a bad credit car loan, Flagship Community Bank is not a bad option. If you live in the state of Florida and you want a bad credit car loan and I did not go over your area, please comment below and I can make a video about your specific area. That's kind of what I want to do with this YouTube channel. So just comment below and say, hey, I live in Tallahassee, or hey, I live in Orlando. I'd like to know a couple banks that are available for car loans. And I'll go through the FDIC banks, and I'll be more than happy to show you what banks are offering what products. I'll do all the research for you. Before taking out any type of loan, I would always take advantage of the annual credit report. It's free from the federal government. It's annualcreditreport.com. I will put a link for this in. Every 12 months, you can get a free credit report from the 3 major bureaus. This could help you find out if you're struggling with inaccuracies on your credit report or errors, and it will basically tell you what needs to be fixed and what doesn't need to be fixed. I'll mention this in a lot of my videos. So take advantage of that free annual credit report. But if you're looking for a bad credit car loan, those are some options. If you're looking in a different area of Florida or anywhere in the United States, leave a comment. Let me know what city or what area you want me to do, and I'll be more than happy to do it for you. And like the video if you do, in fact, like it.